Hey everyone. So recently we found out that one of my children's teachers has been sitting in one of the kids' seats while she's trying to teach their class. So some of the parents got together and bought her this office chair. It should be a much better fit for her than the little kids' chair that she's sitting in now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing put together and show you how that's done. I think she'll really appreciate it. Let's go. So this chair is the Brenton Ruzzi II mid-back chair. This is an Office Max chair, so you can pick these up there if you're interested in getting this. If you're interested in some more assembly type videos or even auto maintenance or just different projects around the house, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'd be glad to have you on board. Let's get started. All right, got our arms. Set those back here. Oh, there's the base. Got our tool and screws and wheels all in that little package. There's the seat, I believe. And there's the back. Got your handle and everything to adjust the height and all that kind of stuff. Now I really like this. If you watched my assembly video for the patio heater, it came with this same type of thing. Basically it has each different section has the parts, and underneath it actually shows you what step each part goes with, which I think is really great. Makes it a lot easier to keep track of where each one of these pieces goes. When I put together my last ceiling fan, each bag had a little symbol on it, but it became very difficult sometimes to tell which step each one of those would go with, so I really like that. First thing I'm going to do is put together the base with the wheels. Now these should just snap up into here, just like so. Let's take the shaft there. There's a hole at the end of each one of these, the end of this starfish here. You just snap it into place. Work your way around. And that's all there is to that. Then turn it over and see, this goes like so. Metal part sticking up out the top, base, so the chrome side will go up. You just slide it through the center hole there. Then we're going to set this aside for now. Turn this over. And we're going to attach this to it. So that will take a few of these, the kind of the main screws that come with it. Gonna need 4 of those. All right, so you'll see there's kind of an inset here that goes toward the back. The front should have this heavier pad on it here. So on the front side, lay it down like this. This is the front. You want this plastic adjustment to go toward the front. You set it in like that. And then we put a bolt in each one of these holes. So, and we tighten it down. As with anything that you're assembling, for the most part, if you've got multiple bolts going into a single piece, snug them down first until you get them all snug before you tighten any of them down, just to make sure everything lines up like it's supposed to. All right. Take your foam off of there. Then it slides down onto this piece. Now, of course, this will spin all the way around, so there's no right or wrong way there. And we're going to get our armrests on. Make sure that it's curving toward the front. Going to take those same bolts. We need 2 for each side. And again, we're just kind of snugging it up to start till we get both of them started. Kind of tightened in a little bit. And then we'll tighten them on down. Okay. Spin it around, do the same thing on the other side. You want to make sure that you have the inside in the right direction. You can see there's the inside part of it's not as finished. Just make sure that's pointed toward the seat. Okay. All right, next we're going to get the back into position. It's got the final 4 bolts that need to go in there. And again, just get it started. Go ahead and get the other side started. Get the top bolts in. Make sure the hole is aligned with the hole in the backrest. And we just tighten it down. You can switch to use the short side of that wrench to get a little better leverage on there. Some of these holes don't let you rotate it all the way around, like on this one. If you tried to, it would hit this armrest, so maybe better off using the short side to get it started, and then switch to the long side after that. And I imagine it actually would have been smarter to leave these loose until all of these were started, because that would probably make it a lot easier to get this piece lined up with each one of these holes. Final step is covering these holes. These little caps. Make it look pretty. There you go. All right. That's all there is to it. Now, this assembly was pretty straightforward. The instructions are very clear, but if you do have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like this video if it helped you out, maybe stick around for some of my other videos, and I hope to see you around here again real soon. Thanks a lot.